So when he went home, he decided, palit siya pila ka karton nga bulb, palit po siya pila ka karton nga switch. Pagkabot niya sa village, hindi mo siya magsulti. Hindi mo na mga tao, so na hindi mo dalanom. Oh, mas surprise na mo iniron. Muna akong naagihan dito sa syudad. So ipanahon niya ang bulb, ibitay niya ang mga kawal sa mga balay. Iya kong ipang-tamtak sa pag-scotch tape ang mga switch. So na yung mga gimo, ha? May bulong mo, pero gabi, kakita mo yun eh. Gabi, pundot ng mga tao. Araw na sila, kung sa abilidad sa ikaw. Alam mo, pag-buon niya, huwag mong isiga. The man forgot that they were not connected to any source of electric power. When night came, he turned the switches, nothing happened. No one had told him about electricity. He just saw the bulb and the switch, and he forgot, and he didn't know that these were useless unless it is connected to the source of their power. Jesus tells us, apart from me, you can do nothing. It's God who is the source of electricity. He provides the power we need in our life to produce the fruits of faith. How thankful we are that He has given us His Word. And He has given us the opportunity to pray. Here we find that amazing message that we can sum up in 3 short sentences. Christ has died, Christ has risen, and Christ will come again. So, my dear fellow workers in Davao Adventist Hospital, ask yourselves the question now, what kind of branch are you? The reality of the matter is, if we meditate on our own personal experience, mine and yours, if each one of us will consider our own personal experience, we experience all 4 kinds of experiences that are described here. We repent of those times we have been thrown away branch, murag useless ta, naghinulso ta, then we are restored. We are thankful that